Okay, welcome to HTML training part 2. That this lesson part 2 we will talk about the title attribute, erase attribute, size attribute, and alt attribute. So for the last section for part 1 we have to learn already about the length attribute. So now we study about the title attribute. So for more my video you want to watch anymore, you want to go by this link. This link is my channel that it will talk about all my video training about HTML, the database, PHP, and something else. When I take a student and order, I will upload in YouTube. So title attribute. The title attribute in HTML it is added to p element. The value of a title attribute will be displayed as a top tip when you mouse over the graph, right? Okay, so you clearly it is the top tip when you mouse over the paragraph. Example, when you have a paragraph, when you take your mouse over the paragraph, it will alert, right? It will alert what is the title it want to say, and we use the title attribute. It is used to put the paragraph. What is the paragraph you want to say, or our paragraph you want to say about. So if we have a lot of paragraph and we don't know which paragraph that we want to talk about, we put the title attribute on the paragraph to make sure that the reader easy to read, easy to find what paragraph that they want to read. Okay, so now we practice about this paragraph, right? Okay, now write the command doc dot type html type dot typ. Okay, dot type html. So now here we html. Okay, we've studied already about the structure of HTML, right? So now we practice body. We put the body, okay, body, and we put here it is you can say H1 or A2. Okay, I put H1, etc. Okay, H1, and we put the paragraph, right? Paragraph. Okay. Lauren, right? Okay, it is the paragraph. So what is different? So now I just put it here. It is title. Okay, title text here, and we can put here. We can put the title. HTML large example. I put HTML. Okay, part 2. Okay. So now we run to test this command. So we here let's shop. Okay, we go to so this file we save on the desktop. So we browse to the desktop and right click, open with Firefox. Wait. Okay, it is the H1 that we put. It is our paragraph talk about, and it is the title. Let's go right here. Click title HTML part 2. Title text, it is title text, it's H1, and it is the paragraph. So now we put the title attribute in the page, right? So I put here, I put the title. Okay, title. I talk about what I put here. Okay, title. I am a topic. So now I put here talk about talk about learning, right? Learning, right? Talk about learning, and I test this one paragraph. Okay, paragraph percent. How are you? What about, right? So, what are different between this paragraph and this paragraph, right? It is our topic that we talk about, the title attribute, right? So I'm shall we run. Okay, we go to the browser, we go to the web page. Okay, it shows the same, it's not different. It is how you, it is paragraph, it is paragraph 2, it is paragraph 1, but it's different when we over here. If we show you here, talk about learning, right? All talk about learning, but we put here, it don't show anything because in our code we don't show about we don't put the title on the paragraph. So if we take our mouse to over this paragraph, it don't show something here, right? But if we take our mouse to put this paragraph, it will show talk about the learning. So here, talk about the learning. Right here, talk about the learning. So all full paragraph here, it will alert so you talk about learning, right? So you talk about the learning here. But about this one, it doesn't show, right? Okay, here. When it's slow, talk about the learning, it will show, right? But this one, it doesn't show. And this one, it show. What is the paragraph talk about? Talk about the learning. And this one, it doesn't show anything. We don't show anything because we don't put a title attribute on this paragraph, right? Okay, so now we clearly and we know about the title attribute. So now we go to the href attribute. What is href attribute? HTML links are defined with the a tag. The link address is specified in the href attribute. So the structure of href attribute is the same before, but it just changed here. We have a tag to href attribute what we want to go, right? Href attribute. So now we practice here this link href attribute. It is the href attribute, right? So okay, I don't change something. I just drop here. A title attribute we study already, so we drop it. Okay, we no need, we delete it, right? Okay, so href attribute we put here like something else. Okay, sorry. Okay, I put here, I drop here. Okay, I put a rise, right? A rise. So this paragraph go to sorry, go to transfer example, transfer video, right? Video. So we have to go this link. So yeah, okay, bye. Okay, we go here like example. Okay, this one. Okay, we copy here, right? We copy here. So href, we need to copy the link of the website or something else that we want to link to. We put in this side. Okay. So href, we copy here, input here, go to summary. So what is shorthand? So we go to refresh our page. It is the code, right? Okay. So we saw this one. Go to video, right? Is the href attribute, and when we click on this link, it will link to my video, right? Click here. It link to my video, right? show. Okay, it in here, right? So href, it is the attribute that we use it to link something page. Like we want to link one page to another page, we use href, right? Notice this one, href, a tag href, and we put the URL of a website or of a page that we want to link to, and we put something value to here for we click go, right? Okay, it is the href attribute. So we know clear about the href attribute like I showed you before. When I click to go to the video, it will link to my channel. Why? It is the href attribute. So now go to size attribute. Size attribute. Size attribute, that means we put the size of image when our code it write about the image. So HTML image are defined with the tag img, and the file name of the source it is asc, and the size of the image it have wide and high, and all the provide us a attribute. Meaning it is attribute, it is provide attribute to the image. Like here it is img asc w3 school.jpg y high. Y and high it is attribute of image w3 school.jpg, right? So we want to clear about size attribute, we go to practice. So now I drop here, copy practice already. So it is size attribute, right? Okay, so now I image img, right here, enter. Okay, I shall see. So what is image that I want to talk about? So example, I go to take some picture. Okay, example. Okay, this one picture. Okay, this one, the same. Okay, I click and I put it in image. Okay, in picture, right? In picture, I pass here. Okay, now I have the image in the picture on desktop. Okay, on my computer. So what can I do? Okay, I source the first I have a link to a picture ptu picture slash. Okay, file. I copy my name of the picture. Okay, extension.jpg, we pass here and we click .jpg, right? And the size attribute we just add y, we put y large 2000, and high gh, I put 3000. Okay, so what is job? So we go to refresh the web page here. Okay, it show. Okay, it don't know the picture. What is the where is the picture? So we go to here. Okay, this PC, slash picture. We refresh. It don't show. Okay, it is in our directory. It cannot link. So we cut it. We put it large in document. Oh, sorry, we can put here on desktop. Okay, desktop. I put it is slow. Okay, put here S, right? S, and I pass my image in the folder. I say that's right. So I write the code here. I change it is test, right? test, right? Test. Okay. So it will browse to this folder and go to check our image. So we refresh. Okay, it is our image. So attribute, sign attribute, we want to change, we want to put only 20 or only 30. Okay, we save and then we refresh. Okay, it is small. It is limit size of image. It is size attribute. Then when we it give attribute to image, right? Okay. So now we study about the size attribute already. So now we go to alt attribute. What is alt attribute talk about? Alt attribute specify an alternative text to be used when an image cannot be displayed. The value of attribute can be read by the screen reader. This way, some listening to the web page, example build person, can hit the element. So the structure of our attribute is the same, but we just add all here. Okay. So now we practice. No, it is the same size attribute also, but we need to add our keyword. So now I put alt. Okay, I put alt alt equal picture picture. So when our link it don't find the picture, it will show this link, right? So like I drop this, right? It is done find. Okay, we go to refresh. Shape picture. Okay, shelf. It show. It's what? Picture, right? So it's so a picture. So that means don't have something or our code don't find, cannot find the picture. It will show here. It will show a text that we want to say. That means this area it is the picture, but it doesn't show. Right? Okay. It is the alt attribute. Alt attribute use it to alert mistake when our image area or image our code don't find. So it will alert this command that show reader or show the developer that this area we put image. Okay. Thank you for your watching HTML training part 2, and for next part we will learn about something else outside here, and we will learn about the quota attribute more. Okay, thank you for your watching. For more video we go to this link to watch my video. Thank you for your watching.